viral imitation crab boil with boiled egg.
It's finally my turn, y'all. This is the viral Sam's Club imitation crab. It's really called sashimi, tsunami, I don't care. You get 2 packs and it's a whole lot for $10. So it's supposed to taste like the real thing, y'all. We about to see. I got this recipe from Hannah. She made me crave this real bad.
Real bad. Real bad.
I don't know which one to grab, y'all. This is falling off the bone. And then when you see how it's made, I hate imitation crab, so I'm gonna give a real honest review. Okay, here we go. Well, I'll be damned. Wait a minute. My people. Y'all, they wasn't lying. And I hate imitation crab. And I am a seafood lover, baby. Let me tell y'all something right now. Go grab that $10 sashimi. God damn. I'm gonna start listening to y'all, mom. Y'all did not miss with this one. This is a hit. Oh my God. I am amazed with how good this is.
Trying the viral imitation crab boil. Some onions. Some people say this tastes like king crab. It does not taste like king crab, but I love imitation crab stick. And these are the big ones. They taste better than the small ones. This is seafood boil on a budget. Boiled egg.
Today I'm trying the Imitation Sam's Club crab. Y'all know how honest I am with my crumble cookie reviews. I'm gonna be 100% honest with this. Let's find out if this thing tastes like crab. This is my crab meat. I'm scared. Wow. Oh my God. Oh my God. Y'all, it tastes like crab. Oh my God. Why is this? What if they sell us imitation crab and give us real crab? You know what I mean. Don't give us real crab and sell us imitation crab. Wow. This is crazy to me. Look at it. And I put my little Haitian butter sauce. Wow. This is actually good. It's making my stomach bubble instantly. It just tastes good, but my stomach twisting and turning as I eat it. I'm scared to continue. Because everything that's good ain't good for you guys. One more bite. Ooh, hold on, I gotta use the bathroom. Ooh, I should have ate that. Ooh.
Hey guys, today I have the viral imitation crab from Sam's Club, and look at this. Oh my god. I have 3 eggs and then 3 crab and then a side of sauce. Mmm.
Trying the viral imitation crab from Sam's Club, you guys. Do y'all look at that? Everybody's saying these taste like real snow crabs, so make some Cajun butter sauce and let's try it. So before we try it, you know we got sour grapes. Amen. Without further ado, y'all, I'm dipping in some of this sauce. Let's see. Y'all ready? Mmm. Hold on. Wait. Try one more time. It's so hot. That shit good. Now I want to say, ooh. Although it's real good, I'm gonna give it like a 8.8 out of 10. I wouldn't say it tastes just like snow crab though. I think that's a stretch. But it's for surely good. For only $10 fucking and you get 2 big packs of these that come with like 10 to 20. This should do.
The viral imitation crab boil with boiled egg.
The viral imitation crab from Sam's Club. Okay, now it's my time to try it. I don't know why they're calling it imitation crab. The name of it is Surimi Snow Leg Style by Gaudre. This is what it looks like at Sam's Club. So I guess it's imitation snow legs. First and foremost, I do not care about how it was made. It doesn't even claim to be imitation crab. I gotta get y'all up close of how this meat looks. All the videos I've seen, everyone's saying it tastes like actual crab. Okay. Wait a second. Let's try another one. First thing that I want to point out about this is it's very tender. You see that? It's falling apart. Okay. I haven't ate real crab in a long time because I'm allergic to shellfish. So I can't really tell you if it tastes just like it. But what I can tell you is that it's good. Oh, let me get some of that onion on there. I haven't had no good meat in my mouth like this. I think it was like $10 at Sam's Club for... This is only one side of the pack, and I actually left 4 of them in the kitchen. You get a lot of meat with this. Ooh, wee. Oh yeah. And go get you some of this meat. Go get some of that imitation crab.
Trying the viral Sam's Club snow crab. Gotta get it saucy and glossy. Let's try some egg with this. I'm gonna try one more. All right, y'all, this the one. Get me on the right team. Still garbage.
Honest review.
Honest review. If your kids are too good for McDonald's and they want crab legs, get them this. But if you're a grown woman and you can't get snow crab on your birthday, I'd be pissed off.
Trying the viral imitation crab part 2. I got the real one today, so let's see. Once again, y'all done lied. Don't come for me ever again like that. Y'all done did way too much. This shit's still nasty. Absolutely not.